Good morning. Today is March 24th, Sunday. Back at it again, so see what I can present to you guys today. Solo hike. Oh yeah. It's coming right here through this brush. Have to look up in front of me. Time's down. Oh yeah. Let's check that bad boy out. Damn. Chunky one. The other side could be, oh yeah. Check that base out. Nice. Looks like it was walking that way. Let's see if we can match this bad boy up. Oh yeah. It's awesome. It's supposed to be high winds today. So let's see what we can pull out before it gets worse. Nice. Woo. Chunky one. Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh yeah. Bust it up. Awesome. Today I'm in the area where me and Tim did a couple hikes. I'm a little lower than I was. So this might be the, I don't know, could be the match or could be more a different bull, but that's what I was trying to do, is match up those two browns I found. Awesome. Well, let's go find some more and try to match it up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just picked this one up, just right here. Standing there looking at it, wiping the mud off. Happened to look over here. There's another one right there. It might be the match. Let's go check it out. Might be the match. This is the left side I just picked up. This is the right. Yep. I believe it's a match. Yep, got a set right here. Oh yeah. Well, let me take some pics and then I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Not bad. Chunky one. Let's check that base out. Awesome. Let's get some pictures and I'll get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Let's get a pickup for y'all. Awesome. Chunky one. Yeah. Check that base out. Awesome. Set together. Yeah. Chunky guy. Yeah. Check the bases out. Them bases. Bloody bases make happy faces. Oh yeah. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just walking up right here. Check it out. Spotted antler. Yeah. Awesome. It's starting to snow a lot more. Looks like a hard white. Yeah. This is awesome. Nice. We get some pics and I get you guys a pickup. Oh yeah. Starting to snow pretty good. Yeah. Pick up for y'all. Last year's some cracks on it. Dark, kept this color. Yeah. This is awesome. Pretty heavy. Awesome. I don't know what people might think I'm crazy for walking around in this kind of weather, but antlers dropping, so I'm out and about. Awesome. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's walk right here. Going down, check it out, go back around. Look down below me. Yeah. It's awesome. Let's go check that bad boy out. A rag. Nice. Awesome. Yeah. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Let's walk it up right here. Happen to glance up. Nice. Let's go check that bad boy out. Yeah. Another hard white. Dang. It's awesome. Pretty good size one too. Let me get some pics of this bad boy. Get you guys to pick up. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's number 5 so far. Walking around in all this snow like sleet. Picking up antlers. Let's get a pickup. Yeah. Hard white. Last year's. Nice. 6x. Awesome. It's pretty neat. See it glowing. Yeah. Let's go find some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woo! It's coming down pretty good. Just gonna have to call it, I guess. It's getting very windy, so let's go back to my stash. Gotta head back to the truck now, and I'll give you guys a closure back at the house. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Today is March 24th, Sunday. Back at it again. Got a brown set and 3 semis. Awesome. Yeah. busted top. Last year's pretty heavy. Another one. Not bad. Not bad. Snowing, raining, windy. Man, I just kept going. See what I could find in this area. Did pretty good. 5 antlers. Not bad. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Throw a comment down. I'll get back with your comments. Man, it was a good day today. Epic day. Very windy though right now. I got back to the truck, it got sunny, so I said I might do a closure right now. On the mountaintop, it's all raining and snowing. But it was a good day y'all. Well, just stay along, just keep following along. We got a lot of shit videos coming up. A lot of places to hit up and a lot of antler to pick up still, so stay tuned. Thank you guys again for following along. You guys have a blessed evening. Take care and God bless. Oh yeah.